Guys, in today's video, despite the crash, I'm going to be explaining to you why I believe cryptos are still on their bull run. We'll be discussing that in today's video. However, I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, as I was watching the charts, I saw it live. I saw the crashes where we were down about 20% on a lot of the top cryptos. This was really one of the best times to buy in. So if you were a part of my Patreon and you were buying these dips as I was calling them out, guys, you are positioned very well. Guys, the whales are all about market manipulation, FUD, to scare the smaller retailer investor into selling out so that they can take all of your profits. Don't do that. Always swim with the whales, and that's what I help you guys out to do. So if you're still holding with diamond hands, guys, pat yourselves on the back. You made it through. Never sell for less than you bought in for, and always have some cash on the side to buy the dips. Get greedy when we see these dips, but only get greedy when we see these dips. Don't buy on the uptrend. That's one of the worst times you could buy in, and could very well be too late by then. Guys, even though Dogecoin dropped from 32 cents down to 21 cents, guys, a 33% drop, we still had a good recovery. A better recovery than even Ethereum. Which is just a reminder on how strong the Doge army really is, and how stable it is as well, because it will continue to go up, and I believe we are still on our bull run. Guys, just yesterday, Bitcoin was made a legal currency in El Salvador. An article just came out titled, "Bitcoin Now Legal Tender in El Salvador," marking the world's first, and a show of support for crypto proponents, and they have decided for it to actually be Bitcoin Day. For this to be a holiday that they celebrate every single year. And guys, this is huge. For a holiday to be surrounded around a crypto is just a friendly reminder that cryptos are not going anywhere, and that they're going to be pushed and pumped for years to come. Guys, a theory amongst a lot of the top crypto experts, including myself, is that a lot of the whales were not so happy. A lot of the big banks were not so happy that El Salvador did this. So they decided to get together and drop the price and sell out so that they could teach them a lesson. Guys, these sort of huge drops is what allows us to continue our bull run. We can never go straight up, we can never go straight down. However, you must get greedy when you see these dips, because people know to get greedy and to buy in at these dips, the smart ones that is, that's what causes these next pumps that we're going to be seeing just within the next week or two. So you want to be ready for that. You want to be positioned very well, and you want to look out for my trade signal when I put it out. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, after Dogecoin went up for 7 weeks in a row, we couldn't just continue going straight up. We had to have a healthy corrections cool down phase. And guys, like I said, you want this to happen. You want this to happen during a healthy bull run so that we can continue that bull run, in fact. A lot of people are waiting for these dips. They're not ready to get in on the uptrend when the prices are really high. They get in when these dips happen, so expect to see this bounce here very soon. Guys, another reason for the crash, an article just came out titled, "Analysts Point to Over-Leveraged Traders After Bitcoin Flash Crashes to 43,000. $3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin was liquidated during this flash crash. Guys, when the market is oversold and we're at a very high price, the people at the top, the whales, they get together and they decide to sell at the same time, and this is why we're seeing this happen. but like I said, it gives us one of the best opportunities to get in. The whales did this so that they could then buy in closer to 40,000 and then wait for the prices to go right back up so they could do this again. Rinse and repeat over and over. Guys, this is how they make a lot of their money. Don't be one of the people with paper hands who sells out, losing money, literally handing money to the whales. Guys, not only that, but the FUD, the fake news out there about the unemployment benefits being cut off for a lot of Americans. Guys, this is no reason for the prices to go down. However, it did scare people because people were afraid that those folks could no longer stay home day trading. They had to go to work now. And guys, like I said, it's no reason to get out. However, that's one of the reasons as well why we're seeing the prices go down, but only for the short term. Guys, we will continue our bull run, and this is only giving you the perfect opportunity to buy in. Guys, some more huge news. In El Salvador, McDonald's are literally accepting Bitcoin now. Guys, this is because El Salvador now recognizes Bitcoin as a legal tender, so they must in fact accept it. And guys, as they start to see the benefits of accepting crypto as payment, they will in fact start to accept other cryptos and may very well accept Dogecoin as their next crypto and legal tender. Because Dogecoin is so much cheaper to transact, it's just a no-brainer and it's only a matter of time. And guys, you want to get in before this happens, before this mass adoption, because once they start accepting Doge and a lot of other cryptos, it's going to cause millions and billions of dollars to pour into the crypto market space, only causing the prices to go up. Guys, this volatility is what allows us to make so much money in the crypto market, because we have these dips that allow us to buy in, and then we have the peaks shortly after that allow us to sell. And that's why the whales are so into it. That's why a lot of the top crypto experts, such as myself, are so into it. That's how I've made so much money over the years day trading in crypto. However, over time, the more people that end up getting into crypto, the more stability we're going to see. The less dips, the less peaks. So guys, this is very well a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in during these infancy stages of crypto, when the prices of the cryptos are literally half or less than half of their actual worth. Guys, within 20-something days, Dogecoin moved from 14 cents to 73 cents, guys. I wouldn't put it past it to see that happen again, and you want to be positioned very well before you see those huge moves, which are coming very soon. Guys, we are seeing a recovery, about 14% on Ethereum, around 20% on Dogecoin. Guys, we are going up again. We are continuing our bull run. We're nearing 47,000 once again on Bitcoin, and just after that, our next level of resistance will be 50,000, and I expect to see that here just within the next week or two. And guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see where we had a huge flag and pennant form with an ascending triangle, a small consolidation period, and then we went up from there. We had more consolidation trading sideways, and then this is where we had our huge dip, guys, where I announced to buy in the Patreon, and then sure enough, as expected, we're headed straight up from here, guys, and then we'll have another peak, which will allow us to sell if you'd like, or hold your position, and then thereafter, after that peak, we will have another dip, so you want to be ready to buy in at that one as well. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I'll let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.